So here is the question of the regression. Here we have to compute the least square regression equation of y on x for the following data, and what is the regression coefficient and what does it mean. So for this we have x is given and y is given. X is 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 15, 16 and 17, and y is 16, 19, 23, 28, 36, 41, 44, 45 and 50. This is the data given here, and we have to estimate the regression line, or I can say the what is the regression coefficient. So the solution of this problem is, first, the estimated I can say the estimated sorry regression line of y on x is, this is the general equation of regression, that I can write it in the form of y, that is a plus bx. So the two normal the two normal equations are, these are the two normal equation. I am applying summation here. So while applying summation on both side, I have summation, this one, or I can say simple y, that is equals to na plus b summation x. What does that means? Y is some variable. Okay, then if I apply on this side the summation, then that result is written as it is, and if I apply summation on some constant number, then I write n on the place of the summation. That means they are the n terms. So if we have 1, that means 1 into 1, that I can say that 2 into 1, 3 into 1. So at the end result is n into a. So I can write it as like this. Now further is, if I'm multiplying x on both sides, so I got summation xy, that is equals to n. Now I have sorry now I can write it as a into summation x plus b summation x square. So these are the two normal equations for the regression line y on x of this regression line. Now what we have to do is, we have to find the values of a and b and the values of x dash and y dash. X and dash and y dash are the mean values. So here the value of, I can say, or the formula for the b is n summation xy minus summation x into summation y over n summation x square minus summation x and as a whole square. So these are the value of, or the general formula for the b, and we have the values here, and the formula for the a is, I can say that y bar minus bx bar. So how I compute this? That means if I convert, you can say, this equation into this form, like if I divide both side with n, so that is summation y over n, that is equals to a plus b into summation x over n. So this is the formula for the mean. So that means y bar is equals to a plus b x bar, and generally I can write it as a, that is equals to, I can say that y bar minus b x bar. So I got from, you can say, from this equation the value of the a. So these are the values of a, b, which we have to find. So for this we need some information, that y bar and x bar. So I made a column where we find the values of y and we found the values of the x. So x values are given here, that is 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 15, 16 and 17. These are the values here. The values of the x and the values of the y are 16, 19, 23, 28, 36, 41, 44, 45 and 50. So what we do next, according to the formula of the b, I can say here these are the values of the formula for the b. So what we have to do is we have to find the value of xy, we have to find the value of summation x, we have to find the value of summation y, and the value of summation x square, and the value of summation x whole square. So I'm making the column of these values. So multiplying x and y, I got this result, that is 16 into 580. So 6 into 19, 114, then 184, 280, 432, 533, 660, 720, and 850. And the further is x square, that is 25, 36, 64, 100, 144, 169, 225, 256, and 289. Now further is adding all these values. So I got 102 and 302 and 3853 and 1308. So this is the value of summation x, this is the value of summation y, this is the value of summation xy, and this is the value of summation x whole square. Now putting all these value, and also I'm going to find first the value of x bar, the mean value, that is summation x over n. So here the value of summation x is 102 and n is the total number of observation, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So summation x is 11.33 and the summation y, that is summation, so that result is 302 over 9, which is 33.56. Now further is putting all these information into this formula, that is n summation xy minus summation x into summation y over n summation x square minus summation x whole square. So that is 9 into 3853 minus the value of summation x is 102, the value of summation y is 302 over n is 9, and the value of this one is 1308 minus 102 square. So the value of b here is 2.831. And further is, now I'm going to find the value of a. So the value of a is a, that is equals to y bar minus bx bar. So that is 33.56 minus 2.831 into 11.33. So that is 1.47. So putting all the value in the estimated regression line of y on x, that is y a plus bx, so that is 1.47 plus 2.831x. So this is the estimated regression line of y on x, and the estimated, I can say that estimated regression coefficient b is 2.831, and which indicates that the value of y increases by 2.831 units for a unit increase in the x. So that is the question here.